If you're looking to upgrade your golf game with smart tech, 18Birdies might be the app that does it all. It's designed for casual and serious golfers alike, blending GPS, stats tracking, and social features into one clean experience. Now, the core of the app is its GPS rangefinder. It works on 40,000 courses and gives you an accurate distance to the green, hazards, and custom points. Even without a premium subscription, you get solid yardage tools, but the real power kicks in with a premium-like subscription. You get solid yardage tools, you get advanced club recommendations, elevated adjusted distances, and strokes gained analysis. 18Birdies also tracks every part of your game. You can log shots, track fairways and putts, and even see trends in your performance over time. And if you like goals, the app lets you set specific ones, like reducing 3 putts or hitting more greens in regulation, and then gives you drills and tips to improve. Now, beyond gameplay, it adds a fun layer with tournament modes, live leaderboards, and social feeds where you can share rounds or compete with friends. The free version is enough for casual rounds, but if you're serious about tracking progress and dialing in strategy, premium might be worth the monthly fee. For golfers who want both data and community, 18Birdies hits a nice balance without overwhelming you with numbers. If you want to compare 18Birdies with other golf apps or dive deeper into a specific feature, let us know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.